Good morning everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about ecosystem. So what is an ecosystem? Well, an ecosystem is an environment where living and non-living things interact. It is an outdoor environment. Now, we just said that in an ecosystem, living and non-living things
might be
interact
wondering
with each other. What are some examples of living and non-living things that interact in an ecosystem? Students, living things like plants and animals interact with non-living things like weather and soil. Together, they make up a very special place called the ecosystem. Now, ecosystem can be small, medium, or large. It all depends, just as long as it is an environment where living and non-living things interact with each other. For example, this is a small puddle. In it, you may find all sorts of living things from microorganisms to insects and plants. These depend on non-living things like water, sunlight, temperature, and even nutrients in the water for life. There is great variety of different types of ecosystem on the earth. Ecosystem can be divided into two groups: land ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Here are some examples of land ecosystem: desert, grassland, coniferous forest, rainforest, and tundra. Here are some examples of aquatic ecosystem: freshwater ecosystem and salt water. Over time, these ecosystems can undergo natural changes. These changes are caused by humans building houses or by animals constructing shelter. An ecosystem may be destroyed by fire, earthquake, floods, or any other natural disaster. Ecosystem provides human with many unique and useful resources. However, humans must take care not to overexploit ecosystem because many of the resources within them are vital for survival of other species within the said ecosystem. Hope this is clear. Now students, there is a small activity for you all. You have to write it down in your geography notebooks. Think about the many different ways in which you can help to protect the ecosystem near you. What can you do to help?